few weeks ago, I went to this cafe, Paper Plane in Montclair, New Jersey, and I made a video about what not to do on your Shopify store. So they have a really great branding, great products, but their Shopify store is totally not optimized. Make sure you check out that video as well. But getting into now, the redesigns I did for their homepage, collection page, plus their PDP, their product page. This brand was totally not optimized in all three of these pages, and I went ahead and just made a redesign for all of them. Getting into it now, we got the homepage, collection page, PDP. Starting with the homepage, right off the bat, what I would do is, because they do more local pickup instead of delivery, I focus on this offer and maintain this offer for the pickup. If you guys are ever in Montclair, New Jersey, I highly recommend stopping by their cafe. It's a beautiful cafe. They have great coffee. It's a great cafe to just go, chill, hang out, get inspiration as well. Starting off here, we show the delivery or pickup options right up here. Then social proof right here, 5 stars, 4.7 out of 5. They are on Yelp. Plus they're featured in these magazines, these publications, newspapers. This is really great for social proof, building trust, authority. Then we get into a big, bold headline. What is so special about going to a cafe? There's so many cafes where you go, especially in New York City and New Jersey. How do we separate them? How do we make them stand apart? First class coffee that transcends the ordinary. Doing a headline like that just to stand out. Then for the product imagery, because their cafe is a big selling point, we wanted to maintain that and keep that essence of their branding and their cafe in here. But we also added their products as well. So we have a close-up here of products, the cafe plus the products. We did that right here. And as you can see, we kept it very simple. The homepage above the fold, my goal was to keep it very simple, very straightforward. And as you go down, then we get into the bestsellers. You want to always start with your bestsellers on your homepage as high as possible and always make it 2 columns, plus add the add to cart for each product. So don't just have, without the add to cart buttons, it would not be as effective. So make sure each product has its own add to cart button. Then you'll have a slider card. Just make it very easy for people to convert, to take that next step and just get them in that next step of your e-commerce funnel. Next, we go to the collection page. Collection pages are pretty straightforward. Our job is to keep it as simple as possible. Make sure every product has its own CTA, like I said, up above. Social proof up here, filter and sort options, pickup info, and just 2 columns. Every product has its own CTA. That's it. Super simple. Last, but certainly not least, is the product page. Now, the product page is probably where we had to do the most work. So text and images with more details. So turning each image into a creative, showcasing what is the origin, the flavor, the blend, plus having a peek through style as well. We have the product title, the sale price, plus the original price crossed out, X'd out, so people can see their savings. They know, okay, I'm saving money on this. The original price is $31.99. I'm getting it at a discount. Then we got social proof, trusted on Yelp. Then our job is to make it as easy as possible to select the variants. Is it whole bean? Is it already grounded? Is it 12-ounce bag, 2-pound bag, 5-pound bag? Always default on the bigger size or the size you want to push the most. So for here, because we had 3 sizes, I decided, okay, let's just default to 2-pound bag. You don't want to do the 12-ounce bag. Ideally 2-pound bag or even 5-pound bag if you really want to do, but it seems like 2-pound bag is probably that sweet spot of what people are going to really buy, plus you getting more margin. Then we have subscribe and save options or one-time purchase. So a bundle plus subscription. And this is all done so we can increase AOV as much as possible. Then we have the CTA above the fold, just matching their branding, have it contrasting. And then we're going to anchor our CTA with pickup available, and it's ready in 24 hours. So just do whatever you can to anchor that CTA. If you have a free shipping benefit, a guarantee, a discount code for Paper Plane Coffee, they really push their pickup. So that's what I went ahead to anchor their CTA with. So that's the redesign I did for this Shopify store. If you guys got value out of this, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Alex-momeni. I work with 6, 7, and 8-figure Shopify brands to increase their conversions, AOV, and fine-tune their branding. If you want to work with me and my team to redesign and rebuild your Shopify pages, book a call in the link below. I'm going to link my Calendly in the description below. Book a call now and let's get in touch. Have a great day, everyone.